Let's make another attempt with the Gennaker. Of course it got some trouble and get stuck. Not too bad. It's working. Whoa. Lots of waves.
I was heading out this Saturday evening, pretty late. The sun was almost going down already when I went out. Pretty windy for me, maybe 12 to 20 knots of wind. Doesn't look too much here, but I took 2 reef. I know it will be tough enough out there with all the stuff I was going to do. I called my friend Henrik to tell him he can follow me on the tracker if I get lost at some point.
Let's make another attempt with the Gennaker. It's a bit windy for me today again, but I'm choosing 2 reef. Let's see how it goes.
Starting right away with downwind, unfurling my new Gennaker. The furling system is new to me. I usually have my old Gennaker in a bag. Didn't unfurl fully, so I have to use the line to get it up correctly this time. After a while I got it to work and it looked great.
Okay. Not too bad. It's working. Whoa. Lots of waves today. Difficult to hold it steady, but yeah, the Gennaker is up. Seems to work pretty okay. I will try to furl it in and do some other things.
I furled it in again and prepared my drone and sent it away. Then set the Gennaker again and try to get some good drone shot with the Yankee flying. The drone has very limited tracking possibilities here, but I steer it manually around the boat. I can see here I could have sheeted in the mainsail much more. The wind looks pretty light here. It was not that light, and also a lot of waves that caused some troubles. I was flying and filming for about 10 minutes until I decided it's time to take down the Gennaker and land the drone. However, the Gennaker didn't furl in. Okay, it furled out right away. Something was stuck and getting to the boat was getting further and further away from my drone because I didn't steer the drone at the same time. I try to catch up the boat with the drone and let the Gennaker wave in the wind and then continue with the mess. The battery of the drone started to drain out and I got more and more panic here. To take down the sail completely without furling it, and of course here you can see it got some knots in the halyard, so it got stuck, and it took additional some minutes before I sorted it out. Now the drone was very far away. Out the Gennaker got it down temporarily, and then started to fly and try to find my boat. It took a while to find it, but finally I found it. I stopped filming here because that saves some battery, because it was only seconds left here now.
Oh, what a mess! But I managed! Okay, I'm bleeding in my hand because I catch the drone without the gloves, and it was crazy. It was just a few seconds with battery left. The Gennaker, of course, it got some trouble and got stuck in the Code Zero halyard, and it took like 8 minutes to take it down. I had to take it down on the deck here. Oh, that was a lot. Hope the video will be great. I think I need to turn back soon, but the wind increased and it was really cool to fly, but a bit dangerous. I need to secure the Gennaker now and then start heading upwards again. Gennaker is secured. Start cheating in. I have my old mainsail to reef today. It's vacation sailing. Oh, solo sailing when it's the most difficult to fly the Gennaker and fly the drone at the same time. Where are we? I get in some trouble. Okay, I will head home. This will be a long upwind. So the sun is going behind the clouds. I'm heading upwind now. Wind has increased. And I'm doing great. It's a great day. Lots of shallow water soon, but I need to do some packs and then I'm going into the harbor. I will say sunset within an hour. Hope I will manage to get back before that. Going pretty fast. 9.5 knots now. Need to go between here. The dark clouds are hunting me. Will be fine. Thanks. Over 10 knots now. Pretty shallow. Over 10 knots. Boat speed. Soon, less waves. Mission accomplished. No one fell in. Nothing got destroyed. No sails ripped. Succeed. And it's Saturday. It will be a beer soon.